Rah. Damn, look at that one. I'm gonna open my face now. Did you see that one? Right now. Not really. Let me give him some ham. The ham. Sure.
Hurry up, dude. That's getting close.
Okay, you want it? Yeah, come get it. Ready? 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 Here you go. Should I get it? Should I get it? Are you filming it?
Yes, I'm filming it.
Here. Ready? Ready? And go. Oh shit. Hi.
The fuck, my bitch?
Let it. Damn, did you see? It like pumped it.
Damn, who's playing the drums? He plays bass, not drums.
He knows how to play drums. Damn, did you see it?
I recorded that. I recorded that.
Oh my god, I'm scared. I don't feel safe anymore. Here, Margarito, give him the pieces. Here. Look, show them this. Look it. Here, Margarito, give him this. I don't want to touch it anymore. Look at this one. Did you see? Look at that. Holy shit. Oh my god. Look at that one. It's like, bears, come back here. Look at these guys over there fighting.
With your hand.
I'm just gonna throw a napkin at him. That's pointless. Hi.
They like
This one looks
dirt.
so grumpy. Do they like dirt? Just give to them. Margarita, is it catch you? I don't know you.
Why is it bad?
There's some signs over there that say don't keep it dirt. Roar! It's like, I'm gonna get some. No. Look at those over there. Aw, this one, give him some to. Aw, Pharaoh, you just. Damn, that one's big. I want to see the one that pecked the shit out of the other one.
The tiny one is